Hello, land seekers. If you're looking for land, guess what? You're in the right place because tonight I've got a ton of properties, all with seller financing. What does that mean? Well, it means that you get to invest in the land that you see here tonight on this video without having to go qualify for a loan and all that other non-fun stuff. We're not going to do that, because we're going to offer properties with, or look at properties with, owner financing. I'm Scott from Landmodo.com, and this channel is dedicated to helping you to make your land ownership dreams a reality today, so you can start living them without having to delay any further. We want to help you by getting the properties that you want in your life. Now, before we get into these properties, let me just welcome you back, the Landmodoians. Am I saying that right? You guys made that up. Am I saying it right? Okay, I'll have to look. Welcome back. And if you're new here, well, again, welcome. All of the properties that you're going to see here are available on Landmodo.com. It's not only the name of this channel, but it's also a land listing platform that connects you directly to the sellers who are offering this owner financing. Owner financing is sometimes called seller financing, and what that means is that the seller will basically loan you the money to purchase the property without having to go to a bank or qualifying for a loan, a mortgage, or anything else. You get to work directly with them. It makes the process so much easier. And if you're new here, guess what? You're going to hear me talk about buckets throughout the night. What are the buckets? Well, scroll down to the description below, and I'll have all of the buckets broken out for you. It's typically 1 through 4, and the description is self-explaining. There you go. So with that, let's go take a look at the states that we're going to cover tonight. Beautiful Florida. I love Florida. The other day I'm going to digress don't hate me for this one. It was 27 degrees in my hometown. Okay, 27 degrees, which is super cold, super cold. The week before that, it was 30 degrees. So 30 degrees one day, 27 then a week later. And, you know, I'm telling my family, I'm like, guys, I don't want to live where it's cold, man. It's too cold here. I didn't move to Florida to live in the cold. And my kids are like, weren't you born here? I'm like, yeah. They're like, well, you didn't move here. I'm like, sure I did. I picked this place. All right, so here we go. Welcome to Florida. Buildable lot, Port Charlotte, Florida. One of my favorite counties, man. Why is it my favorite county? Well, it's one of my favorite counties because of a couple things. And that barcode down there is killing that picture. But here's the thing about this particular property in this particular area is the water is nearby. The Gulf of Mexico is nearby. And I love being on the Gulf of Mexico. You can be at the Gulf from this property. You could probably be at the water in, I don't know, 30 minutes or so. It just makes for an incredible, you know, I don't know, relaxed resort style lifestyle. And here you have a 0.2 acre property. Okay, 0.19 acre property. Asking price on it is $16,999 with $749 down and $368 a month for 48 months. So you can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/163-181. All right, let's go to Charlotte County yet again, a 1/4 acre property. This 1/4 acre property, asking price on it is $18,500 with $750 down and $295 a month for 84 months. You can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/163-327. Citrus County, Florida. All right, get out of the cold. Well, I can tell you that a few weeks ago when it was cold, it was colder in Citrus County, Florida. I don't know what the exact temperature was, maybe 25. I don't know, something like that. Who knows? All right, but here you go. Asking price on this 1/4 acre buildable lot near golf. It's like a golfer's paradise. All right, you got me. Okay, buildable lot, $15,000. Asking price is the $15,000 with $400 down and $250 a month for 60 months. Citrus County or Crystal River. Look at this. This is Crystal River. Here's Cedar Key. Oh man, Cedar Key. If you've never been to Cedar Key and you ever get to Florida and you have some time, go over to Cedar Key. It is such a cool little town. It's like right on the water. It's a key. It comes out. It jets out. You can see it on the map there. It jets out. There's a little town, little hotels. Like it's not a Marriott in there. It's like a little local hotel, maybe a B&B, something like that. Little hotels in there. Restaurants right on the water. It's a cool day trip to go over there. And man, to live that close to it, that's just incredible. And you can see the villages on the right side of the map over there. It kind of gives you a perspective with it. Villages is just massive. So you've got a nice buildable lot there. Again, lmodo.ws/144041. Going on to Highlands County, Florida. I'm not sure why we don't have a picture on this one, but typically that means that it might have been marked as sold, but I'm going to keep talking about it anyway. We have a 0.35 acre property, 8,800 with 100 down and 185 a month for 60 months. You can learn more about this one at Landmodo, and I'm actually typing it in right now because I want to see what's going on with that picture. Landmodo.ws/154060. And yeah, I'm getting a message saying that it's not found. So that one might be sold. I don't know. Moving on to this one. Check out this one. Lee County, Florida. We talked about Charlotte County, Florida being my favorite county. Well, my second favorite county is Lee. Why? Because it's also over there near the water. It's also a nice area, relaxing area. And this one, asking price on it is $18,000 with $999 down and $250 a month for 72 months. You can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/162389. Moving on to Levy County, Florida. Where's Levy County? It's 1 acre near Gainesville. Dude, we don't see a lot of 1 acre properties in Florida. We seriously don't, but now we have a Levy County property. All right, $15,900 with $225 down and $225 a month for 116 months. I got to see something here. I mean, like, I got to check this out. Let's see. I got to do something here. Okay. All right. So learn more about it at lmodo.ws/162919. Check out the power, the road. Yeah. Mobile home available. So if you're looking for something you could put a mobile home on and build on the mobile home. All right. There you go. Levy County. Let's go see what else we got here. Marion County, actual photos. All right, this is actual photos. There's a new home construction very close by. Okay, all right. This one's caught my attention too. Like, I want to go see what this one's looking like here. I gotta go see something here. Let's type this thing in because is this the? I don't think that this picture. Okay. I'm like, okay. Look, here's what's thinking in Scott's head. It's probably going in your head too, right? This is a 0.35 acre property, and it says actual photos. New home construction very close by, and it shows me a picture of the lot that the house is going in on. And I'm thinking, like, is this the actual photos of the lot? And so I didn't really like the way that it was being presented. That's why I wanted to bring up this listing for you and share it with you. Because whenever I'm unclear about something, I'm sure you're like, huh? What? Here you go. We can do this together. So here we go. Check out this one. So the property that we're looking at is this one right here. Okay, like we're looking at this property here. And then as we scroll through there, okay, now we got a better view of what that property looks like. And that's the property that we're talking about, how there's construction nearby. So if we go back one picture, here we go. Here's our property that we're talking about. Again, here's the property that we're talking about. And then as we scroll forward, there's where they're going to build a house. All right, now we got a good story here. Here's the house that they're building, the foundation going in there. All right, here's our property that we're looking at. And again, you got paved road there, power in the area. And guys, listen, if you ever bored and you want to go way back in the Landmodo archives, I'm talking way back when I was doing on-site videos of properties, which was way long time ago, you would notice that every property went something like this. We have power in the area, paved roads. People were like, dude, you like power in the area and paved roads. I'm like, I don't know what else to say about it, but that's what you got there. You got power in the area, paved roads. If you want a good chuckle, go back to the old Scott videos. Here's another view of that property that we're looking at here. And that's giving you some perspective of what it looks like. And this is why I like going to the website, because the website's going to give you a lot more details. It's going to show you what's around there. If you're not familiar with the area, it's going to take you right to a Google link there that's going to show you, basically what that website's going to do, or I'm sorry, what Google's going to take you to right to there. And again, the most important thing here is if you want to learn more that's even provided, click the green button that says contact the seller. Click the green button, because when you do that, they will get a message saying that you wanted more information, and that's what you're going to get. You're going to get some more information on there. All right, let's move on. Let's see, we're staying in Marion County, Florida here. Here we go. Your weekend or your forever home in Dunellen. That's in Marion County. That's near Ocala. Quarter acre lot, $17,495 with $999 down and $243 a month for 72 months. You can learn more about this one at lmodo.ws/163023. Putnam County, Florida. Mobile home property. Electric lines at the street. Quarter acre. Ooh, this is a good deal. $5,000 is the asking price, $299 down, and $199 a month for 24 months. Guys, I talk about this all the time. Think about this. All the time I talk about this. Here, you've just looked at a lot of properties in Florida. Seriously, you thought about Port Charlotte County, $16,000, $18,000. Lee County, $18,000. Citrus County, I don't know, $18,000. Marion County. Like, think about all of the numbers that we just went through. Then you go to another county. What is happening to Florida land, or period, what's happening to land across the country is the prices continue to rise. We talked about it earlier tonight. And think about this one here. Here's a property that you can buy that the complete asking price on this thing is $5,000. In 24 months, you will own it free and clear. That, seriously, free and clear in 24 months. And then what? Well, let's say that you don't want to build there. Great. What's going to happen to the price of land? I'm telling you, those Citrus County, the Charlotte County properties, I kid you guys not. In like 2020, those Charlotte County properties were selling for half the price. That's the same thing. These properties were half the price. Okay. What happens to prices? They're all going up. They're all going to go up. And guess what? Just like your gas prices, they might fluctuate, but man, the price of steaks aren't going down in the future. We're paying what we pay. Think about it. You guys remember? You remember when gas was like $1 a gallon? I remember that, 79 cents a gallon. And it went up, and then it like dropped one day to 79 cents a gallon years and years later. And then everybody's like, oh, these are the good old days. Well, then all of a sudden some hurricane hits. Next thing you know, it's $3 a gallon. It never leaves that same range because they don't go down. You guys know this. But see, that's the thing, is that's where I get passionate about this stuff, because this is such a great opportunity. And it, again, it depends on what you're trying to do. But bucket 4, bam, you got this thing. lmodo.ws/163336. All right. Interlochen, Florida, same area, mobile home lot, quarter acre, $61.99, $399 down, and $157 a month for 50 months.